Hey there! Here are four drums. Some are big and some are small. But wait, they're arranged in a pattern. Our pattern is big, small, or tall, short. Today's lesson is going to focus on musical patterns, patterns in groups of two, patterns in groups of three, and patterns in groups of four. When we think about musical patterns in groups of two, three, or four, there are different types of musical styles that we associate with those patterns. First, the pattern in a group of two. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Music in groups of two often are called marches. One of our most famous composers of marches is John Philip Sousa. Remember, a composer is somebody who writes the music. Music composed in groups of three is called a waltz. One, two, three, 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 one, two, three. Music composed in groups of four is what we call common meter. There are 4 beats in each grouping. I think you know this song. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Each of these objects in the pictures that you see have either 2 beats, 3 beats, or 4 beats of sound. Let's say and clap them together and categorize them on our shelves. The first one, apple, apple. That's right, 2 beats. Next, roller coaster, roller coaster. 4 beats. Very good. Next one, pineapple, pineapple. That's right, 3 beats. Where to go? Let's try the next one. Airplane, airplane. 2 beats. That's right. Next, alligator, alligator. That's right, 4 beats. Last one. I'm not wearing any, but sunglasses, sunglasses. That's right, 3 beats. Before we go, the alligator could also be a different animal with a different beat shelf. Could you think of what that might be instead of saying alligator? That's right, crocodile, crocodile. So, if we call it an alligator, we can put it on our 4 beat shelf. But if it's a crocodile, we want to put it on our 3 beat shelf. When talking about musical patterns, it's important to understand the grouping of those patterns. Those patterns are grouped under what we call a meter or a meter sign that we find at the beginning of our music. Here, the meter is 4/4. The top number tells us there are 4 beats in a measure, and the quarter note gets 1 beat of sound. We see here there are 4 beats in our group or 4 beats in our measure. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, the top number is a 2, telling us that there are 2 beats in a measure, meaning that we have 1, 2, 1, 2 beats in each measure or each group.
Finally, we have the 3 on the top. The 3 tells us that there are 3 beats in a measure, and we can see those 3 beats here, the quarter note being the one that gets 1 beat. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All right, guys, we just finished our lesson talking about meter. We talked about things that are grouped in groups of 2, groups of 3, and groups of 4. We learned that the top number on our meter sign, those numbers that look like a mathematical fraction, that top number tells us how many beats are in a measure. And the bottom number for right now is going to be a 4, which means the quarter note gets 1 beat of sound. I can't wait to teach you so much more about the world of reading music and how we can identify different meters in our music. Happy music making! Have a wonderful day. Bye bye now.